Hey guys, check out this beautiful tray we just got in at Prairie Sky RV. 2021 Sierra 39 bark. 12,079 pounds dry. Now you come in the door here. Up this way to bedroom. Nice king size bed. Big closet area. Up here, oh look, even a bonus. Got a washer dryer already. And into the bathroom. Look at the size of this bathroom. So big shower, nice little closet area, double sink, and come into the living room. So 2 couches in the slides, turn into beds, theater seating, of course your entertainment unit, nice big fireplace, TV, and then your kitchen. So big double door fridge, lots of counter space back here, lots of cabinetry, and then a nice big pantry. So if you guys are interested in this, please check it out on our website at prairieskyrv.ca or give us a call at 403-345-7791.